In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do an alternating kettlebell row. Now, firstly, in terms of position of the kettlebells to start off, you're most likely going to be deadlifting the kettlebells off the floor. So it's really important to have a position where your feet are hip width apart, the feet are pointing forwards, and the kettlebells are just outside of your feet. Now, once they're in that position, what I want you to do is squat down with your arms straight, pick up the kettlebells with a nice neutral spine, push the floor away from you until you're up to standing, and now we can start the first initial phase of the exercise. So what I want you to do is think about bringing the hips back, leaning forwards, keeping that spine neutral and bending the knees, and coming into a position where the kettlebells, the bottom of them, are just below your knees. Now from here we're doing alternating, so I'm going to bring one kettlebell into a position here where I row up, I'm going to squeeze my shoulder back, slowly back down, and then I'm going to do the next side, slowly back down, and I'm going to repeat this for my desired amount of sets and repetitions. So you can see that front on, so I've deadlifted the kettlebells up, my feet are hip width apart, I come into a position where my bum comes to the back of the room. I'm bringing those kettlebells down so the bottom of the kettlebells are below my knees. Nice neutral spine. One kettlebell up, big squeeze. Slowly back down. Next kettlebell up, big squeeze. And once you're done, you're going to squat down and lower the kettlebells under control. That's how to do an alternating kettlebell row. You would repeat that for your desired amount of sets and repetitions.